What is up, guys? This is Epic V Gaming 0012 here. We're making another YouTube video, and the time is 7:53 a.m. in the morning, and I'm making a video. This is one of my fidget spinners. It's real gold. Has the weight. It has these colors. So if you look when I spin it. You can see the colors, and it just switched. It's going the other way now. I got this from Tennessee. Pretty cool. But so this, I don't know how long a video it's gonna be. I didn't make the second video for yesterday, which, well, I really wasn't gonna do it anyway. But so today I do have football practice. School is starting on August 21st for us, is when the solar eclipse happens, so about 1:08 p.m. Where we live, it should hit us around there. It should end maybe about 4 o'clock. It said 3:57 p.m., but I don't know. I was going to say about 4 o'clock. And, guys, do not look directly at it. It will blind you. I'm sorry I keep wiping my thing. It's all weird. But I was only making this is one of my most favorite fidget spinners. But yeah, I was just taking a video, taking a small video, because I have to do a lot of stuff. So I'm just taking a really small video, like 2-minute video is max, which we're about 2 minutes. I love you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye.